Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and what I want to talk about today is a lambda. A lambda is a way of defining a very small function. So basically, let's say I want to take this function here, okay, and make it a lot simpler. Okay, so see, it takes up that many lines, but it's a really simple function. It just returns the addition of two numbers. So what I could do instead is I just make a variable called add and just say that it equals a lambda. Okay, and then the lambda takes in two arguments, so we'll say num1, so n1, n2, and it's going to return the expression of n1 plus n2. Again, you can name the variables whatever you want, but see, in this case, I've been able to define that same function in one line. Okay? And this just means that, hey, this is a function, these are the arguments, this is the expression that it returns. But you can only have one expression, so you can't have like a long, complicated function. The minute you kind of go beyond one expression, you have to go back to this format of defining your functions. What's nice about this is you can kind of just do it in the middle of something. Okay, it's very succinct syntax. So depending on how complicated your function is, it might be easier to just do this. So in this case, now I import add. I can still use add as I was before. So I can be like add 1, 2. Let's print the result of that. Print. Okay, and then let's. And there you go. See, 1 plus 2 is still 3. So. And then I could also just be, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what it does. Let's just break this down a little bit more just so you can see a different way of me doing the same thing. So I could just be like result equals add 1, 3, or 1, 2, and then we're just going to print the result. Okay, just to make it a little bit more clear what's going on here. Okay, 3, yay! And that's it. That's all lambda is. So again, what's the but yeah, that's all there is to it. So I'll wrap this one up. You now know how to use a lambda. Again, it's really just the syntax is really just lambda arguments expression. Okay. Cool. I will see you guys in the next video.